Hi, welcome to my another tutorial. Today I want to share how will you add your all types of ranking videos on your video description at a glance. It is very important to add your all types of videos on your description box at a glance. Most of the experienced and successful YouTubers do this work. They add their all types of ranking videos on their description box at a glance. You can increase your views or watch time or your subscribers by doing or completing this work at a glance. This is my 1 and 2, and I have this video added on my description box altogether too. So I wanna share how will you add this altogether. Before starting this video, I cordially request to subscribe my channel. If you are new wanna make money online in this channel, I cordially request to subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications, and click on all on this bell here. And if you want to make money online, I cordially request to watch all types of videos from my YouTube channel, and also I cordially request to subscribe to my first channel. This is called the Learning and Earning Tube, and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. So if you want to make money online just like this, and keep watching. So let's get started. Alright, this is my channel interface. After coming to your channel interface, you have to click on this channel logo and click on this YouTube studio here, and then just click on the settings button, and then you have to click on this upload and defaults, and that's it. This is your title box and this is your description box. You have to add your all types of ranking videos on this description box, and how you will do it I'd like to share, and don't skip any part of this video and keep watching. So first of all, I have added these two videos on my description box. Now I would like to share another one, and this is number 3, and I would like to add my another ranking video. So how will you get it? First of all, you have to come to your YouTube channel, and you have to choose your ranking videos from your channel. So first of all, I would like to share this one. So you have to open this video from here and get the title, just copy from here and come to your description box altogether. So this is number 3, and you have to add that video URL. So this is called the video URL, and just copy from here. Alright, this is a URL shortener website, and you can use this shrinkarm.com. so just paste that video link and click on this arrow button here, and then you have to copy from here. So yeah, then you have to come to your description box altogether. Alright, you have to paste this one. So this is my title of this video, and this is my URL. Now I like to add another YouTube video from my YouTube channel. After coming here, you have to choose another video which has been ranked, and then I like to add this one, and playing this video, you have to copy this title from here and come to your description box, just paste, and then you have to add that video URL. So just copy from here and then come to that URL, paste on this here, and then alright, and you have to copy from here and then just paste it. That's it. You can add more and more video on your description box altogether to rank your YouTube channel. If you are a beginner or a first time you are making a new channel, want to increase more and more, I cordially request to watch this video again and again to add all types of ranking videos on your YouTube channel altogether. Thanks for watching my videos till the end. First of all, after doing this, you have to click on this save button here, and if you check this one, you will get all types of video on that description box. So this one is my description box. 1 2 3 4 4 videos I have added on my description videos as a default on my description box. So thanks for watching this video. I cordially request to subscribe this channel if you didn't subscribe before, and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from this YouTube channel. And thanks for watching my previous videos. Just click on this playlist here, and I have made 2 playlists about my make money online. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.